Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to make this beautiful and very simple pattern that's made by only one row. Let's get started.
Start the work with a slip knot and then start chaining. The number of chains should be a multiple of 8 plus 3. I made 35 chains totally, and now skip first 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And go to next chain. Make 1 double crochet. Then make 2 chain and 4 double crochet into same chain. Then skip next 3 chain, 1, 2, and 3, and go to the next, yarn over, insert hook into the chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, again, yarn over, insert hook into same chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through all loops. I made 1 puff stitch with 2 incomplete half double crochet. Then make 2 chain, and again 1 puff stitch into same chain, 1 and 2. After that, again skip 1, 2, 3 chain and go to the next. Make 1 double crochet, 2 chain and 4 double crochet into same chain, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Skip 1, 2, and 3 chain and go to the next and make 1 puff stitch here, 2 chain, and again 1 puff stitch into same chain. Skip 1, 2, 3 and go to the next and repeat the work. Make 1 double crochet with 2 chain and 4 double crochet into same chain, and then again skip next 3 chain and make 1 puff stitch with 2 chain and 1 puff stitch into next chain, and repeat that work until the end. Now I'm at the end and I have 4 chains left. Skip 1, 2, and 3 and make 1 double crochet into last chain, and row 1 is finished. Then make 3 chain as first double crochet and turn the work to start row 2. In this chain to space between these 4 double and 1 double, repeat that work. Make 1 double crochet, 2 chain and 4 double crochet. And then go to next chain to space between these 2 puff stitches and again make 1 puff stitch, 2 chain and another puff stitch into same space. Go to next chain to space between these 4 double and 1 double and repeat that work. First make 1 double, then make 2 chain and 4 double into same chain to space, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go to next chain to space between these 2 puff stitch and make 1 puff stitch, 2 chain and another puff stitch into same space, and repeat that work. At the end of row 2, after last group, make 1 double crochet into the first chain of these beginning chains here, and row 2 is finished. Now we have to repeat row 2. Make 3 chain as first double crochet, turn the work, and into this chain 2 space, make 1 double, 2 chain, and 4 double. And into this chain 2 space between the 2 puff stitches, make 1 puff stitch, 2 chain, and again 1 puff stitch. And repeat that work. Make 1 double, 2 chain, and 4 double into next chain 2 space, and make 1 puff stitch, 2 chain, and 1 puff stitch into next chain 2 space, and repeat that work until the end. And at the end, make 1 double crochet into beginning chains and repeat that work. This row 2, should be repeated several times until the height of the pattern reach the desired size. I repeated that row several times, and now this is my pattern. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.